Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make my quick and easy matcha. The ingredients you need are your favorite matcha, a whisker frother, a mug, spoon, some ice, a cup, and syrup and milk of your choice. First, I take my mug and put 3 scoops of matcha in it. My favorite matcha I use is the organic Japanese matcha brand on Amazon. It's culinary grade and it's so yummy. Also, I just want to add, I do not do 3 full scoops, I only do a little bit. After that, I go ahead and put a little bit of hot water in my mug so that the matcha will dissolve when I mix it. Now that my matcha has dissolved a bit from the hot water, I'm going to take my favorite cookie dough syrup and pour it in. Now I'm going to whisk and mix it up until it's nice and frothy with no clumps. This step does require you to be patient, so don't rush it or your matcha will have clumps. I would also like to add that you can also use a matcha whisk. I just like using a frother just because it gets it done fast, but it still works the same. Next, I'm taking my favorite cup and I'm putting my milk of choice, whole milk, into it. Make sure you leave room for your ice and matcha on top. Now that I have put my milk in, I'm going to put some ice in it with some room on the top for my matcha. Now that I've put ice in my cup, I'm finally going to be able to pour my matcha on top. And that is all for how I make my matcha. I hope you guys liked this tutorial and that it was super informative and helpful. And I will definitely be making more videos in the future soon, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!